Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q2 S-line 35 TFSI with the 6-speed manual transmission. Now this particular vehicle is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-line trim level, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling, such as the front bumper, rear bumper and the side profile as well. There is also the chrome element such as the badging and the rear diffuser. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 5 split spoke design star shape alloys finishing the satin aluminium once again, and which do really stand out against the black paint. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Q2, we find up to 405 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a smaller SUV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a part leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. As well as this, there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. Aluminium trims do carry on into the rear of the cabin, where there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants. Now moving into the front, we find a very well designed and high quality interior with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional 2-tone seats which are half leather with the cloth centres and do have the S-line logo. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. Then when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this fantastic screen in which does house the satellite navigation, and this also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this now, we find the equally fantastic climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.